help you. Just trying to provide some oogalage for you.
Thanks, babe. What is that? The walnut?
Walnut, yeah.
The walnut? It's a lot of grain.
Yeah, that's what the crotch wood.
Ah, yeah, that's true.
You hear the dorky woodworker people be like, "Oh, I like my crotch." That's what they're talking about.
What I'm talking about? Right there.
And right there.
Well, it's like it's a lot of mixture, you know, of
Yeah.
the colors too. And these yellow jackets keep landing on me, and I'm like,
no.
Just one more thing.
Keep going. I don't think I have enough water.
Ah.
There you go. Can't get one more drop. There we go.
That's all you get.
That's all you get, YouTubes. Try to spread it.
Is that Ivan's log?
This is ours. He brought it to us.
This is ours.
This is ours.
Why did he bring this to us?
Why?
Yeah.
Because he was cutting down the walnut tree and...
Did we buy it from him?
Yeah.
Oh.
All this walnut we bought from Ivan.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Dang.
So.
It's hard to keep up.
Are we allowed to sell it, or is it too pretty to sell?
I'm liking that crotch right there.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
I'm gonna sound like one of them dorky woodworkers.
Like, oh, that's a nice crotch you got there.
Ha 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 ha.
Uh-huh.
I see what you did there. That's pretty.
Oh.
I could take those two slabs. We could
You
probably sell the other ones.
Is that right?
Yeah. You got my permission. You should have said that about all the wood. Like, my wife won't let me sell the stack or the stack. We'd have it gone.
That'll just be the story with everything. I can't sell anything.
It could be like our
Well,
little
why are
motto.
you selling wood? Well, I want to sell something. I just can't sell any of this.
Like WNC portable sawmilling, where my wife won't let me sell any of the lumber. Welcome.
She won't let me, but I have to sell some. I have to buy fuel. She wants me to keep making pretty stuff for her. I have to. Sell
I want you
something
to
now.
start making pretty stuff for me.
Well, she wants me to ever one day possibly make pretty stuff for her. I have to sell something. All right.
Well, that's probably enough. I mean, of the bird's eye thing.
Oh, okay.
You probably let me down.